Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 576 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are, outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. That's grandmother Ophelia right there. And I'm going to go in on this impromptu masterclass. This is a live interactive video, not a pre-recorded video, so I'm doing it live. Hopefully we can have some people hop on and give you the experience to ask Farmer Mike. Ask Farmer Mike. Perhaps there's something you want to grow or problem you're having. The time is right now, so take advantage of the opportunity in a lifetime of the opportunity. So I'm here with Pablo the farm cat. Come here, Pablo. Pablo! 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 Pablo the farm. Come here. Pablo's being shy and very greedy. You're being very greedy. You had 2 cans of Friskies today and you're looking for more. Oh, sing your Friskies to 2416 Vine, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. What's that? Care of the real Pablo the farm cat. Oh, isn't he so, that's so lovely. Oh, you smell like Friskies. Look at that face. Pablo got catnapped a while back. Farmer Mike tracked her and got Pablo back. Check out that video on my YouTube channel. All right, without any further ado, let's get to today's master class. So a lot of people are intimidated by mints, and I don't know why. I think Monty Don would say it becomes sometimes quite a thug in the garden, but you know, you can't look at it like that. You know, a lot of people ask you, how do you keep the mint from spreading? So a lot of people ask me, how do I keep the mint from spreading? And I tell them, I cut it and I sell it. I want to introduce you to a very beautiful mint. This is one of the summer mints. So there are a whole bunch of mints out there: pineapple mint, strawberry mint, the best mint, Ken's mint, Kentucky Colonel mint. There's so many mints, spearmint. There's probably maybe close to 40 or so mints that I know of. But this is one of the summer mints right here. And I'm going to show you. And this mint, Pablo, back! This is called apple mint. This is apple mint. Pablo, you don't need any apple mint. So this is apple mint right here. And look at the roundness of this mint. Pablo, you don't need the mint. Pablo's going crazy. So this is not cat mint, Pablo. This is apple mint. This is not cat mint. Listen, Pablo, fundamentals. Okay, so this is a beautiful mint right here called apple mint. And look at the texture of this mint. This is one of the fine summer mints, okay? And so this is mint, and it has a taste of apple. It has a taste of apple right there. And look how beautiful that this summer mint. Pablo, stop biting me. Look how beautiful this mint right here is. And this is one of the summer mints that you can put in cocktails. You could also put this in some infusions. Put this in some infusions of teas and honeys and things like that. Very fragrant. It's a hint of mint and pineapple. So apple mint right here. It's a bright mint. Very tasty mint. Fresh herb mint. And if you love mint and water, this is what you need right here. Apple mint. Don't be afraid to grow it. It is in the mint family, so it can be somewhat aggressive. The best way to prevent that is to just cut it. Just keep pulling it up. But what better gift for the holidays than pulling up a mint plant, a rather rare mint plant like this one right here, and giving it to your friends or neighbors. And what better way to enjoy food security, self-sufficiency than with having a sprig of mint that's a perennial here in Kansas City, and it will come back year after year if you treat it right, year after year, and give you many seasons of satisfaction. Nothing like apple mint in a glass of water on a very hot summer day in the Midwest. So there you have it. One of the summer mints, masterclass on the summer mints, the apple mint. Don't be afraid of mint right there. How do we fertilize it? Well, I do fertilize the mints. You could use a chicken manure or rabbit manure. I just fertilize these with this with compost. But you don't have to fertilize it because it is pretty aggressive. Okay, but if you want a lot of it, and who doesn't want a lot of this nice fuzzy mint called apple mint that has it's like mint and an apple combined. Who doesn't love that? And look how hardy it is, not attacked by bug or disease. This is what you want in your landscape. Very beautiful and very edible. And of course, you can dig it up. We can take this and we can put this in water, put it in a windowsill for maybe 2 weeks, and it'll grow out roots. And you can clone this particular type of mint. Clone this particular type of mint and have it to enjoy in other parts of the landscape, or you can even give it as gifts to people. Hope you enjoy this minty masterclass. Antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antifungal. I love it. It's healthy. It's what we call food as medicine. Again, I'll show you this mint. Today's masterclass was on apple mint. Right there. Look at that beautiful mint right there. Yes. You can even take this and infuse this in some beer. Infuse this in a great local beer as well. This is called apple mint. So I hope you enjoy this masterclass. I got to get back to work. Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District. Where it lives. See you in the next video. Pablo, back to work.